onion garlic chicken, guys. If you're interested in this one, come let me show you how to make it. What I did was pour room temperature water till it covered the chicken. Then I add salt, I add vinegar and lime to the water, and I let it stay overnight. Then this morning we just pour off it and rinse off the chicken. What we're gonna do is season up the chicken. So I'm gonna use this onion garlic marinade. Just have to add about 2 tablespoons. Some adobo all-purpose. This is the one with the salt, so be mindful, be careful. Here's a little complete seasoning. Some garlic powder, some onion powder, some paprika. I'm also gonna squeeze up garlic on that. Alright, so I'll just have a rub in this. This one some color. Some want a better color. I'm going in with a little Maggi chicken, not too much. Half teaspoon. That look a little too white for me. Perfect. Listen to the difference? This now. Alright, so that will do it. Allow this to marinate and then we come back. Guys, I should have said this. If you don't have this sauce, just add a little honey to it. If you have soy sauce, you can add that to it too. And if you have the Worcestershire sauce, the Worcestershire sauce, you can add a little of that to it too. And that should do the trick, right? I'm going with a little oil. So we're gonna add the meat. Skin down to the pot. So these are the marinade with the chicken did in, so we just have to add to this, right? I'm gonna add a little more of this sauce. I'm going in with some honey. Remember, it's onion garlic. I'm gonna add a little of this sauce. We're going with some soy sauce. This will come right. See money, yeah. Alright. Oh Lord. Let me get all the kidney. add the sauce to the pan. So now we're going to take the chicken, put it skin down, circle it, and then we'll flip it back over. Right? Put it in. Alright, so we're going and do that. Alright guys, so we're going also often pull the chicken out, right? Baste the chicken so that the chicken will dry out and it catch a nice color. Alright, so just go in and baste all of them. Open out my backside. Whoops. Take your time and do the work. What that song they go? Eh? What that carnival song they go? Take it easy, I can. Like so. Nice song. So you know. Alright, so we just put this in. Just lock it. Hey. Why? Yeah, that. You don't have to. Wait for my daughter to come hold the camera for me, but what she a beard off so long. Alright guys. This is the end result, guys. Guys, if you made it this far, don't forget to like, leave a comment, share this video, and I'll see you guys in another one. Thanks for watching, guys.